A guitar is a stringed musical instrument played by plucking or strumming the strings. The sound is produced by the strings vibrating through the body of the guitar, which amplifies the sound. The strings on a guitar are tuned to specific pitches using tuning pegs located at the top of the guitar's neck. When a player presses down on the strings with their fingers, it changes the length of the vibrating string, thus changing the pitch of the sound produced. The vibrations of the strings are transferred through a bridge on the guitar's body to the soundboard, which is responsible for amplifying and projecting the sound. The soundboard is typically made of wood and is carefully shaped to enhance the resonance and tonal quality of the guitar. Electric guitars also have pickups, which are magnetic devices that convert the vibrations of the strings into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent to an amplifier, which further amplifies the sound and allows the player to adjust the volume, tone, and other effects. The various components of a guitar, including the neck, frets, strings, and bridge, work together to produce the beautiful and diverse sounds associated with this popular instrument.